Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to record a WhatsApp video call with audio on Android. All right, let's begin. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. Once you're in, head over to the conversation with the person you want to video call. Tap on the video call icon to begin the call. Now, here's where the recording part comes in. After you've started the video call, minimize WhatsApp. The call will still continue in the background, or stay here and open your phone's built-in screen recorder. You can usually access this by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Once you find the screen recorder, tap on it. Before starting the recording, make sure you tap the settings icon or options within the recorder and enable both media and mic. This ensures that the recorder captures not only the screen and video, but also the audio from both sides of the call. Now tap Start Recording, and your video call will be recorded along with the audio. And that's it. So that's basically how you can record a WhatsApp video call with audio on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.